Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send a PNG image with a transparent background on WhatsApp. Let's get started. So all you have to do is to open WhatsApp, open the conversation that you want to send the photo to, and then tap on the plus icon here, tap on documents, and now where is your photo? Choose or from files or from the Photos app. In this case we have it on the Photos app. Tap on the photo here, and now as you can see it's without background as a PNG. To make sure, just tap on share, save the image, go to photos, and now as you can see it's without a background. So this is the way you can send a PNG image with a transparent background on WhatsApp. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support us, and see you in the next.